Okay, everybody, I got the Borescope hooked up, and the product is called DEPSTECH. DEPSTECH. Real quick, it comes with this paper right here. You got to go to your Wi-Fi settings, hook it up to its Wi-Fi network, and then that's the only way you can get a connection on it. All right, I will show y'all that later. Right now I just want to show y'all the actual camera and show y'all how it works. Another paper that comes with it is this it says extend your regular 12-month warranty to 24 months. So that's pretty good. So we'll look into that to try to register this product. Other than that, I stretched this out and it seems like it goes out at least, seems like 12 foot. So the wire is pretty long. I got it hooked up to my wife's computer right now, but we didn't download the software on the computer. Right now, I'm screenshotting this right now so y'all can see me and you see how clear the camera is. All right, it's kind of dark because the light. So if y'all see me, y'all see how clear the camera is, right? So the camera is clear. Right now, I took out one spark plug and I'm gonna show y'all the inside of the piston. All right, so here we go, we're going in. And this is the inside of the piston. I just want to show y'all how clear this camera is. So this camera is clear and you can clearly see that I do have some carbon buildup. So I will have to throw some fuel cleaner down there. All right. So that is this Borescope. I will post a link in the comment. So I'm just showing y'all how clear it is. I'm gonna do a couple of more tests with this, so you'll see a couple of more videos of me going down the drain pipe. I'm gonna go down the air vent, and what else can I use this? Wherever else I can use it, I'm gonna show y'all. And if y'all have any questions or y'all want to see what it looks like looking down somewhere else, then let me know. Other than that, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, you guys, I want to give this product some justice. All right, so this product, the Borescope, I reviewed this the other day. I'm gonna do some more stuff. All right, it's called DEPSTECH. Okay, and this is a Borescope. So what I did last time was I went into my spark plug holes and I showed y'all the pistons, right? And I really never showed y'all the interface of this. I kind of did a screen recording, but I just want to show y'all could turn your, so if your camera is upside down, so let's say if you're like you see the side of my car, side of my other car, side of my house, you can hit the 90 degrees rotation on it. Sorry. So you can hit 90 degrees rotation. All right, you could take a photo. All right, photo successful. You can record. I don't want to record right now. And you can put it in your files. So on this, you could file it like car maintenance stuff. And you have settings. All right, so you can set your resolution and, you know, your Wi-Fi settings and that stuff. You could go back right there, and that's the interface. All right, so last time I showed y'all the inside of my pistons. The next I'm gonna show y'all the inside of my vent. We're gonna see if there's a lot of dust in there. If so, we're gonna try to vacuum it out, or get a company to vacuum it out, whatever. So we're gonna check inside of there. We're gonna check inside of pipes. This is waterproof from what they said on the box. So stay tuned on more on this review. And the Borescope wasn't that much, so I might try some different ones, see if they got some that's in 4K, some that's got better picture quality. But if you're just starting out DIY, this is a good tool to have, especially around the house. if you want to look in holes and stuff. All right, stay tuned.